Driving school on Saratoga, New York. All right. If you live in this area, we cover those areas as well. Check Pierre Driving School. Any concern making a left turn here, get all the way into the turn signal and ready for the turn. Okay. One at a time. The car in front have to clear first. Then you're gonna pull up at the intersection. Then you do mirror left, shoulder left, and make your turn. All right. Saratoga, New York. If you do need any help here, Pierre Driving School can definitely help you. Put in the comment below anything you want me to cover in particular. All right. Just been here. When you're driving, I see the light started to break. It's a series of steps they want you to do when you're doing your road test to pass. It's not about driving only. It's the way that they want you to drive to pass the test. The minute you understand that, it changes everything. Oftentimes people think that it's just so you can drive right, drive good. You can drive. That's why I'm gonna make you pass the test. It's not enough. I'm a living proof to that. Take my road test 3 times before I finally passed, and I thought I know how to drive already. I know already driving or whatnot, but it was not good enough. It's a certain way they want you to drive. That's why you're gonna pass your test. The minute you understand that, it changes everything. If you have not yet subscribed to the channel, like, share, and subscribe. And if you know anybody that can benefit from this content, please share with them. That's the only way you can help us to share out the word, spread out the word, so everybody can get the opportunity to pass their test with Pierre Driving School on the first time. Our goal is to make sure that each student that go with us do the road test to pass on the first try. That's what we're aiming for. However, we cannot 110% guarantee it because human giving the test, we're not the one that giving the test, however. But most of the time, if you follow the steps that we teach you here for you to pass your road test, passing your road test is just one appointment away. All right? If you already if you drive good already, you want to do a mock test to make sure that we give you a heads up of things there for you to do. Check our website, pierredriving.com. Car double park on the right, mirror left, shoulder left, and go around. Coming back, signal right, mirror right, shoulder right, bring it back. Whatever you do to the left, do it back to the right. At this traffic light here, we're making a left turn. All right, is left turn here. Come to a complete slow down. Mirror left, shoulder left, and make the turn for where? To the closest left lane. Okay. Then by yourself later, you signal right, mirror right, shoulder right, and bring the car over. These are the level they want you to deliver. That's what we show you here at Pierre Driving School. Give you a series of steps, things there for you to do to pass your road test with flying colors. Remember, it's not about driving, like I said again. It's a way that they want you to drive to pass the test. That's the thing you need to have in your mind. Once you understand that, you will be well off, okay? Over the light, we're making a right turn. You hear the instruction, over the light. After passing the light now, I'm gonna signal my turn, mirror right, shoulder right, right turn. Is over the light, is not at the traffic light, okay? If it was at the traffic light, then I would have signaled early. I want you to understand that a lot of people get this confused when they get the instruction of doing over the light at the corner or at the intersection. Corner come before light. At the intersection come before light. Light is light. Instruction has to be straightforward. You don't want to get any confusion on the instruction the instructor is giving you, but the only way not to be confused is to follow what they tell you to do and deliver accordingly. All right, no rush everything, take your time. Is a test, deliver to the highest of your performance. Once you understand that it's a series of steps, you're gonna deliver to that. You shouldn't be any reason for you not to pass your test. All right, if you have anything you want us to cover in particular, put in the comment below. We'll definitely take care of that. All right, so here's driving lesson in Saratoga. This is the area that we cover here in New York City. Like I said again, we're all about driving because we want to make sure that we feel happy. To be honest with you, me personally, when we train somebody and they pass their road test, it changes their life. Your license can enhance your life one way or another. You may not need license for you to make a living, but at some shape or form, the license can help you to better your life, believe it or not. At the traffic light coming up, we're making a right turn. We signal the turn, mirror right, shoulder right. We're gonna start lining up on the right side. Make sure we block the room, no cars can pass. Now, ready to make the turn, what we're gonna do again, mirror right, shoulder right, and make the turn nice and smooth, fall within your lane. Do not touch the red light, the yellow line, all right? Falling right within your lane and continue to drive. Those are the level of delivery the examiner are looking for. Nothing more, nothing less, because in the end, it's all about delivering up to their lacking, all right? Anything you want Pierre Driving School to help you with, check our website, pierredriving.com. Follow, like, share, and subscribe so you can be part of this community that helping everybody getting the license. One way you spread the word, help another, okay? Right at the light, mirror right, shoulder right, make the turn, follow where? To the closest right lane. And then what? We're gonna move over to we're gonna make a left turn at the light, signal left, mirror left, shoulder left, and bring it over, all right? Like, share, and subscribe, folks. Until then, keep practicing. This has been your Pierre Driving School. Take care now, folks. Bye-bye. See, I'm pulling over. Nice and smooth. Bring the car in with no issue, all right? And after which, what do? We make sure that we secure the car anyway. See, going back. Beautiful. Looking back. All right, folks. Until then, keep practicing. This has been here with Pierre Driving School. Take care now. Anything in particular, put it in the comment below. We will definitely take care of that for you with no issue. Okay, put your car into parking. Take care, folks. Bye-bye now.